Similar to other learning management systems, Canvas uses modules to organize course content, whether by weeks, units, or other divisions. To add a module from the Canvas dashboard, click on the course. If available, you can use the Create a New Module link that automatically appears once a new course is created. Alternately, you can also locate and use the Plus Module button. Type the module name in the text input box that appears. Notice that you can restrict access to the module by locking until a specified date. Also, if you have previously added other modules, you will be given the option to set those as prerequisite to this new module. When you have set the desired attributes for the module, click the Add Module button. At this point, Canvas presents the opportunity to begin adding content. We will cover how to do that in a subsequent tutorial. So for now, you know how to create your first module for your Canvas course.